My intent is to cut the studs all the way around this trailer. We're going to make a flatbed out of it. I called the landfill and asked if we could drive the trailer out there and demo all the parts and leave them in their construction site, and the gal I talked to said we could. So we're gonna see if we can get everything pretty much cut up. If we cut the studs all the way around and then maybe make some vertical cuts in different places, then hopefully it'll be a pretty slick operation. We'll pull this behind my truck, and then we'll have probably another truck that will tie a chain or a strap or something on to pull it off the bed. So that's kind of what we're gonna try and do. I'm gonna do a little sawing here. I think I'm cutting into the back of the shower. Anyway, we'll leave enough of the framework attached to where it won't blow off the trailer on the way to the landfill. So as you can see, I've cut mostly all the way around the bottom. The corners are still intact. This allows us to get to the landfill and hopefully just chain to it. Maybe a couple vertical cuts up the side of the door. Maybe down halfway over there. Maybe 2 or 3 pieces, and then took my hammer and freed up the walls in here, so it shouldn't be an issue. Same with the bases here. I smack them so they're free from the floor. So they should pull up. Hopefully we can just tip it right off the base of the trailer in a couple of easy steps. Called the local landfill, and they said we could come over and tear it off. So we cut around the base, put a strap on it, use the other truck. Had to do a little extra cutting after the fact, but
why you wear ice safety gear.
wow. So this is probably what we'll take back, and we'll clean it off back at the house. Pulled off, we had to redo a couple things as far as cut some more, but we got it. I was gonna set up the camera and film the whole thing, but in our haste I forgot.
I think we're free and clear here.
Okay. Should we take the sledge and maybe knock those sides off around that wheel well?
Like this type stuff?
No, on the outside.
Or
That.
just the whole...
Oh, sure, whatever. But yeah,
This whole metal thing?
Nope, the tin. Yep,
this?
yep, that stuff. Of course, I don't know. Maybe it won't come off without taking that tin. We ought to leave something over the wheels, maybe.
Okay.
Hey, Braden, did you collect all the money? There's a dime right here. Here, Braden.
It's gonna need a lot more than that, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Just drive.